What is up, guys? It's me, back with more videos, and today we're playing Minecraft. So you guys, we're gonna play Minecraft. It's survival, creating a new world now. Come on.
It's crooked.
So we start with a chest. See what's inside. Cut a map. So we're going to just get these torches right here to collect, so we go mining later on in the video. So let's explore our map before we start doing anything, because see, look over there. You see houses? That's a village. But we cannot go there. Not yet. We have to go deep, like higher ground. Because I think it's abandoned. Yeah, it's abandoned. I don't want to go there because we don't got a sword. Wait, we can get all these kind of stuff. Yes, we got it. Got it. Okay, sword. So we got a sword, you guys. Come on, let's go to the village. Yeah, it's abandoned. Oh my gosh. You see that? It's abandoned. Oh. It's a raid must have came here. Jesus Christ. Flint. Yes. We just need iron. Okay. Let's hope oh, you see that, you guys? Zombies. Die. Woo! Yeah. Woo! That was close. So there's another zombie there. Let's kill it. Ow, ow, ow. Gosh. These zombies are tough to beat now. Regularly, they would have been beaten like quick. Like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Shouldn't be that hard to kill one zombie. Yeah. It's hard to kill only one. Dude, it's so hard to kill one thing. I hear one is coming. I'm just keeping my sword up just in case it's coming. So you guys, I think we're gonna rebuild this village because they didn't deserve this. They didn't deserve this kind of thing. So link in the description for the next one, the next video. Heads up, it's about this one again. But like you know what? Like this village should not be treated like this. It's like really should be not treated like this. Link in the description and say in the comments what you think about this village. Rebuild it or just leave it. Link in the description. Okay, so I guess we need to. I don't want to leave since there's food, but I think we should leave. Like my wooden sword is almost broken, and it's almost like nighttime. It's like barely even nighttime, but they're so hard to beat. now and then zombies like come stronger once they forgot what they look they do harder damage. Jesus. So link in the description. We go in creative and we so I think we should rebuild it because they didn't deserve this. We're like attacking zombies and this. I think it's not a pillager raid no more because oh my god, you see how that like look, you have to double tap something to like get it all together. So I looked at your comments and yeah, you said rebuild the village since a lot of you guys, like 25 people said rebuild it. Like we should rebuild it, but like we should like get better stuff till we go creative and just spawn everyone back. We need a dog, but you can't get one. Okay, so let's kill a cow. But we have to be very careful about wolves because they'll attack you once you hit them. So, wow, there's 2. Oh my gosh. Are these wolves following me or they just looking at me before I give them any bones? So we killed a cow. Already been here. I think that was the whole village. Yeah, it was the whole village. Like you can't check every house because everyone is infected and stuff. And yeah, like, look, zombie over there. And we should check somewhere over here. Empty. I think we already checked it. But you know what? It's like actually more chests than like buildings. And like there's like there's less there's like harder, it's like hardcore zombies. See how hard that took to kill one zombie? We're just gonna ow. So I guess they didn't survive. Not many because they don't get turned into zombies easily. But most of you said go creative and rebuild the houses and stuff. So I'll give your commands. So creative. Okay, so now let's rebuild the houses. So I think they were giving us logs just for me to rebuild. But we have to do the same structure. But you know, you guys, it's not that hard for us to build the same structure. They gave us a heads up. Like they give us like a head start. Like we just need to like fix the damages. Like something did to this village. They look like you have to like fill in everything so you could actually. Okay, let's scroll. Okay, where's the stone? down. Woo! So we're just gonna replace the stone things. And we're gonna replace it for like it's almost nighttime in the village. Oh my god. So we almost rebuilt one house, but we got like so many to rebuild. You know what? We need to get our torches up here, okay? And let's just keep the zombies out. That'll do it. You don't like start with a house. Like you have to. So we need a community to like. Sorry, I hit the camera by accident. Okay. So let's get up here. Let's build what? So this is our first house we recreated back to life. So we got more villages to like more stuff to. I knew why they grew these things so you could keep the zombies back from spawning there. So there we go. One farm reconnected. Jesus Christ, what did they do to this village? So we have to break the old windows and put in new ones. See? House number 2. I just feel like putting like a double chest and breaking this one. Just in case he was really important. What? I'm a simple man with simple lives. So you know why I'm building this? It's like for like protecting the village. It's like keeping them back from spawning. Thank you, wolves, for killing so innocent creatures. I guess I'm not good at the backup, like paybacks of words, so I just don't speak when my cousin's getting beat up because then I'll get beat up too by no boxing. But he knows karate. But I beat him up like so bad last year. He like, and I went to my cousin's karate. Like I stayed there for a very long time until my mom and dad had to pick me up. You're seeing in the comments why we're breaking this stuff, because we need more space to make new stuff. This just looks functional in the village, keeping it under control. And my cameraman behind me. Oh my god, look at these wolves. They're so... Look, when you walk over... Dude, look at these wolves. They're like a pack. Jeez. You see that, you guys? That's the new feature of the wolves. They spawn in packs now. That's kind of bad because then you can't tame one. Because then the others will try to snap him out of it. So that's kind of bad for us. Because, like, it's going to be hard to tame one in survival if there's others. Because if there are others, that means you cannot tame it. It's like you cannot let it, like, if you want to, oh my gosh, what? Oh my gosh. Ugh. Takes so, like, yeah, like, this is kind of good. Like, in a spruce village, like I was hoping for a functional village. Like, I know we were going to like a functional village. Like you guys, you hope for a functional village in your very own Minecraft world, because I like get lucky sometimes. And I get like so many villages in one world. So that's kind of good. So we need, you know what? I'm just going to be friendly and just place 2 torches. Or we're going to place 1. We're going to place 1. Okay. So, okay, we're done with another house. Oh, we're making quick progress, actually. We'll make it quick. Slow but quick process. I'm just gonna do this so it lighten up the streets. So no mobs. But actually this one got torn apart pretty good. Like mostly everything got destroyed. Ugh. Oh, spruce log. Oh. It's like kind of like a wood. I don't know. It's a kind of wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is. It doesn't look. It looks too white. It's too white. Too brownish. We're just gonna put like just wood here since we don't want to spend too much time on the video, because you know we still got school. So like we have to go to bed. Gotta go to bed early. And the link in the description. It's subscribe down here. Okay, so that's kind of good space. Okay, well, we should put jobs here. So it's kind of, yeah, we should like put this in our inventory. Boom. 3 of these.